Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest reviews and insights into some of the hottest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of protein powders, specifically focusing on one of the best plant-based options for building muscle, MusclePharm Combat 100% Whey. MusclePharm Combat 100% Whey is not just your average protein powder. It's packed with 24 grams of protein per serving, sourced from premium whey protein isolate and concentrate. And here's the kicker: it's gluten-free, making it suitable for a wide range of dietary preferences. Available in mouth-watering flavors like chocolate milk, vanilla, strawberry, and more, this protein powder doesn't just deliver on nutrition, but also on taste. Whether you're shaking it up pre-workout or post-workout, you'll be reaching for that scoop with excitement. Whey apart from the rest? Well, it's engineered for maximum protein concentration and minimal carbs, ensuring rapid digestion and absorption. Plus, it's crafted by experts and certified by Informed Choice and Informed Protein, giving athletes the confidence they need in their supplements. Don't just take our word for it. Customers rave about the taste, quality, and effectiveness of this protein powder. From its ability to fuel muscle recovery to its delicious flavors, MusclePharm Combat 100% Whey is a game-changer for anyone looking to take their fitness journey to the next level. So, if you're in the market for the best plant-based protein powder for building muscle, look no further than MusclePharm Combat 100% Whey. With its premium ingredients, great taste, and proven results, it's time to unleash your full potential with every scoop. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and until next time, stay fit and stay healthy.